Hey, today we're going to make a lazy meatball sub casserole. If you love meatball subs and you love casseroles, this video is for you. It is easy, it is cheap, and it is delicious. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to start our lazy meatball sub casserole is you're going to just take a store brand garlic bread. All right, so here is our French garlic bread. Chop up this bread into kind of smaller slices. We're going to lay it in a 9 by 13 baking pan that has been greased. So we want to lay our bread all onto the bottom. You're going to cut it up into small pieces, just like I have here. And you're just going to make sure that it's kind of even there on the bottom. Okay, the next step is to make this great sauce for the meatball casserole. So you're going to need 2 jars of a marinara sauce right here. This is just a store brand. So you're going to need 2 jars about that size. Put your marinara sauce in a saucepan here. And here is jar number 2. So you're going to turn your burner on, and we're going to warm up our sauce here. Italian frozen meatball bought from the store. So the recipe calls for about 40. I don't have 40 because these are a little bit bigger of a meatball. So I have about just this much. And what we want to do is incorporate and heat all of this up. Get all of your sauce. We don't have to cook anything because it's already all pre-made. Just going to bring the heat up in that pot. All right, so it looks like our sauce is all heated up here just beautifully. We're going to give it a nice little final stir. We're going to transfer our sauce right on top of all of our cut up garlic bread there. But you will have to be very, very careful because it is hot. So we're just going to roll the meatballs all the way in to your dish. We want to get all that sauce that we can out. You're going to kind of want to push your meatballs over and kind of even them out. And now our next and last step before we put it in the oven is to load it up with some cheese, right? There isn't a meatball cheese lovers or meatball subs without being cheese lovers. So we're going to sprinkle some Parmesan on here. Put 2 cups of mozzarella cheese all over the top. And our oven is set at 350 degrees. And we're going to bake her for about 20 minutes. And there you go. 350 degrees, like I said before, for 20 minutes. All right, look at here. Oh my goodness. Look at that meatball sub casserole. Looks so delicious. Now you'll notice the sauce around the side. It's not bubbling because it's absorbed by all of that beautiful garlic bread that we put into the bottom of that. It was put together in less than 10 minutes, 20 minutes in the oven. So this is like easy, delicious, cheap, stretching a budget, and doesn't take much time at all, right? In the oven and within 30 minutes. All right, so let's cut into this beautiful casserole. Look at that. Yummy. Whoo, does that look good? Now this is all right, so let's taste this great casserole. A meatball, some of the garlic bread. Wow. Oh my goodness. You're going to love this one. Marinara sauce with cheese and meatballs and bread. It's all just a perfect marriage. All right, hey, I'm going to see you in the next one. Thanks for hanging out with me, and have a great day.